Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth, an essential oil recipe box, and this should be the July box. So you always get stickers for all the products and the oils even, so you can put it on the lid so they're easier to identify. Then you get a bunch of recipe cards. So the first one is Nails Without Fail Oil. Very simple recipes, and on the back of each there's different information. So this tells you what's in this month's box and gives you additional information about the oils, if they're safe for kids, pregnant people, cats, dogs, all that stuff. And then your extras. The next one is DIY Dry Shampoo. In the back of that one, a note from Kate. Talks about store-bought shampoos having toxins and sulfates that strip your hair. So this is all about hair and nails, I believe. Next we have a Fit roll-on with almond oil and essential oil blend. Sneak peek at next month's box. That one is going to be about toxin-free face care. A Salon Day diffuser blend. Questions about this month's box, you can visit their FAQ page. Next one is Strength and Length Conditioner. And I think they gave us a conditioner base, yeah. So any extras you'll need that you wouldn't have gotten from the bonus box, they'll be in here. Their referral program, and I will put my link below, you get a gift card when you sign up. And last but not least, Strong and Long Shampoo. So let's take a look. This is the charity of the month. They donate 13% of their profits to an organization. So it gives you information about them. So the essential oils I got, this one's rosemary. This is Fit, so that's a blend. Let's see what's in there. Grapefruit, spearmint, lavender. Bet that smells really good. Then we also have Palmarosa. The aroma, it says sharp and floral. Can't say I'm familiar with that one. And the last one is spearmint, which is a good one. And then the extras. So we have the conditioner base. And this is measured out exactly for the recipe. And then a shampoo base. And then an extra bottle for one of the other recipes, and anything else you might need. Carrier oils, those all come in the bonus box that you get sent twice a year. So you can check out some of my videos if you want to see what comes in those. And if you want any information, want to sign up, check out the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.